Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by placing the cursor at the exact spot you need a check mark. Open Insert, then Symbol and More Symbols. This gives you full font choices. Once there, pick Wingdings or Seago UI symbol because they include clean check glyphs. Click a check character and press Insert. Make sure the font in your document matches, or the mark may shift. If you use frequent checks, note this first step is setting the consistent source for all subsequent marks. Now streamline repeated use. Assign a keyboard shortcut so you can insert a check with a single keystroke. Go to File, Options, Customize Ribbon, then Keyboard Shortcuts to bind the symbol to a combination you'll remember. Alternatively, define a new bullet using a check symbol for quick list insertion. This keeps formatting consistent across items. If you prefer numeric entry, use Alt codes on the numeric keypad, Alt plus 0252 for a check-like character, making sure numlock is on so the code registers correctly. Finish by formatting the check mark to match text size and color. Select it and use the Home font controls. Once done, confirm alignment with text baseline and convert to inline graphic if you must preserve appearance across systems. If someone else opens the file and sees a box instead of a check, make sure the chosen font is available or embed fonts when exporting to PDF. This resolves most display issues. If embedding isn't possible, replace marks with inserted small images for guaranteed consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.